If you love football, you're gonna love this. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create realistic, customizable football-style lettering that you can use for merch, jerseys, and Super Bowl designs. Let's dive in. Super Bowl season is here, and everyone is looking for fresh American football t-shirt design. But the problem is, most merch designs you see online are flat, basic, and start to feel repetitive. That's why I wanted to create a new, customizable alternative, something that looks like real football leather, with authentic stitching, stripes, and texture ready for print. And the best part? You can type any word, your team name, a player number, or a fun slogan, and instantly turn it into a design that pops. Let's type in some text and see how it performs. Open Kittl and start a new project. Set the resolution to 300 dpi, and it will automatically change the size to 5000 by 5000 pixels. Then click Create. Let's change the aspect ratio of the artboard to 16:9, or 1920 by 1080. Then click Lock Proportions and change it to 3840 by 2160 to achieve a 4K resolution. Now, click the prompt box and paste in the prompt we made. Edit the prompt and type in the text you want to create. For this example, I'll use Transfer Superstars. Since it's a long text, I'll change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Make sure to use the Nano Banana Pro or Nano Banana Pro 4K model, then click Generate. Make sure to check the description, as I'll be putting this prompt there. While waiting, let's fit the image to the artboard. And there it is, our 3D football text. It looks very realistic and captures every detail of a football. The materials, stitching, stripes, and even the color look like real leather. I'm very satisfied with this one. To make it print-ready, let's remove the white background using Kittl's built-in Remove Background tool. That was pretty quick. Let's take a look by moving it aside. The Remove Background tool performed really well. Next, we'll place it back on the artboard and prepare it for exporting. Open Layers, turn off the background, then click Export. Change the resolution to 300 dpi and then click Download. Now, to create another image, just click the prompt box and the previous prompt will appear. Then edit it. Not only can you change the text, but you can also try numbers. In my case, I'll use the number 12. Using the same process, just make sure to use the Nano Banana Pro model, then click Generate. And here's the result. It looks amazing, just as I expected. So what we're going to do next is make it print-ready by removing the background using Kittl's Remove Background tool. If you want to preview your design on a shirt, you can use Kittl's built-in mockup feature. You can access this by going to the Mockups section and selecting a mockup that suits your design. For me, I'll use this Momentum for Sports Lifestyle mockup. Once you've found the mockup you want to use, simply delete the default image and place your design onto the artboard. Make sure to resize it accordingly. The cool thing here is that the mockup updates automatically. Just adjust the image based on your preference. And if you want to print your design, head over to our website, transfersuperstars.com. We offer different services to help you print your design. Under DTF Transfers, click on DTF Transfers by Size. Here you can just simply drag and drop the image you're working with. Once the upload is complete, you can see the actual size of your image. If you are not satisfied with it, you can just simply resize it under Step 2. Just make sure your design is set to 300 dpi to ensure it's optimal for DTF printing. Also, under Step 2, you can see the price of each design based on its size. Under Step 3, you can see the sample price computation based on quantity. You can also enter a custom quantity if needed. You can also check this box if you wanted it pre-cut. If you want to add more images, you can upload them here. Once you're done, you can simply click Add to Cart and then proceed to checkout.
We have it printed. Now let's take a closer look.
Okay, let's go.
Let's take a closer look. It looks nice. It looks great, guys. The finer detail that you have on the leather itself, it looks incredible. And it looks like you guys will be ready for Super Bowl weekend, honestly, guys. But let's take a closer look on the outside. Look how crisp these edges are. This is definitely upscaled to perfection. This looks great, and this is going to do perfect on a shirt, guys. This is what DTF is supposed to be doing. This is great, guys. Let's get started. For today's blank, we're using this Tri-Dry TD011 unisex panel tech t-shirt. And for the press, we're actually gonna be running the 15x15 Weaver automatic heat press. If you guys are curious about any of the gear we're using, you'll find all the links down below in the description. All right, let's get this pressed. For our heat press settings, we got 10-second timer. We also have a 300 degrees. I know it says 301, but it's just circulating heat right now. And then we do have heavy pressure, guys. All right, guys. So I already have the laser preset. Let's just put our shirt on there right now. We're just gonna try to get this as aligned as best as possible. There we go. Going for a flatter surface. Awesome. And then with this one, we're gonna kind of have like a little crease towards the center. We want to have these two ends meet just so we could get that crease. And then I might as well also crease the bottom too, because it's not that big of a design, so it'll actually show off where the laser's heading. So let's do that. All right, looks good. We are ready. So usually we would have this wait for a good, good 15 seconds, only because it's super hot right now. But usual case, you could just peel right off. Okay, already looking phenomenal. I'm liking the way it looks. But to kind of give it a little bit of a matte finish, I'm not going to add the matte finishing sheet, but I'm actually just going to slip it on the other side and then just press it again. If you see on the design, it kind of gives more of a smoother finish than a normal textured football, but it does look good. All right, well, let's take a closer look. All right, let's take a closer look, guys. Yeah, this looks so 3D. I'm not even joking to you. I'm gonna feel it right now. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I'm very impressed. I think it's because of the color of the shirt that really makes this design stand out even more. But the blue definitely complements this type of leather styled design. Honestly, it came out really good, guys. Kittl did its stuff. Yeah. Awesome. Well, now you guys could try it too. But honestly, I think we're good here, guys. We showed you just how easy it is to turn a simple text into a realistic football leather design using Kittl's AI. Then took it all the way from screen to shirt by printing it and pressing it. The result, a clean, breathable, wearable design made simple with AI. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy making it. And if you guys are looking for a dependable DTS supplier or just thinking about making a switch, we'd love the chance to work with you guys. All right, that's a wrap for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.